Hello, hello. Today is gonna be fun as we are going to make our favorite vegetable. Can you tell me which one is this? Yes, it is orange in color and it's Rabbit's favorite. Well, yes, this is a carrot. We have 4 steps right here, and why don't we start making this? At first, we are going to make a triangle. Yes, a triangle is a shape with 3 sides. So, let's make a triangle. This is amazing. Now, we will make a standing line in the middle of this triangle's top. And after that, make 2 curves like this. Can you tell me what are we doing next? Yes, making the leaf. So, why don't we make this leaf together? It is just like a tree. Now, complete making the entire fair figure of your carrot like this. And then make these little lines in the middle. Wow, this looks delicious. Let's take our sketch pen and start sketching. We will sketch right on top of our pencil marks, but make sure that you know the difference between the rough drawing and the fair drawing. Well, yes, the oval was for all the leaves to be of the same size. This is great. Let's sketch this together. That is lovely. Now, we will take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. This is amazing. Now, let's take our orange color and start doing the outline. After the outline, we will select on how to finish this coloring. Can you tell me which direction are we coloring in? Yes, standing line. Now, we will take green color and do the outline for the leaves. Well, the curves in the leaves are very small, so make sure you go very slow while doing the outline here. We do not have to go out of the line, okay? Continue coloring together. Coloring in one direction is going to make our drawing or coloring look neat and clean. So follow the steps and continue coloring. Press the color well so that there are no white spaces in the middle. This looks brilliant.